Okay, this is lesson number 2. We just learned about basic syntax. Okay, so the text inside of the parentheses and quotes, such as your name or whatever you want to write, is called a string. So strings are a sequence of characters, and they must be enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. So let's do one more practice with the print function, and then I will show you one more extra thing. Okay, so let's say I want to print hello world, just like everyone else doing it, I think. Let's say hello world. Okay, so we just wrote hello world, and then whatever you want to print you can print, and then we will just run to make sure that it's working. It is perfect. So this is something. And then let's say if I want to print a number, will I use quotes, or can I use quotes, or what should I do? Okay, let's try this one. I'm gonna write print open parenthesis. I will just write only, let's say 5, and then I will run the code, and then hello world 5. It is perfectly printed. How about what will happen? Print, okay, parenthesis 5, and then let's see what will happen now. Perfectly fine. But so strings are just like words, sentences, and so on. But I just want to show you here what will happen in the next situation. I just want you to learn Python by doing it, by seeing it, and by experiencing it. So let's say in this two situation, everything is fine. How about if I'm gonna write, I just want to make a basic apply, I just want to do basic math. Okay, so 5 plus 5. Okay, so thing seems like everything is okay. Will it do it? Let's see. It worked perfectly. So what I can say, you can also print numbers directly without quotes. Okay, so we learn this thing, and then Python can perform basic arithmetic operations inside the print function. So how about if I'm gonna go up there and write 5 plus 5? What will happen? Will it really work? Okay, so as you see, guys, when we do this, the Python doesn't really do any sort of mathematical operation. It's just writing there 5 plus 5 here without doing the mathematical operations. So if you want to do such operations, then you shouldn't use double quote or single quote. Okay, so if, by the way, I just want to show you another thing. If you're gonna you just want to, you don't want to, for example, write the whole thing here, you want to ignore the rest, but at the same time you don't want to delete it because you put a lot of effort on writing those things. So what you can do, if you're gonna click on Ctrl forward slash, you're gonna convert those codes into comments. So now whenever you want to, let's say, run the code, you're gonna only deal with what you have here. So if you want to bring them back, okay, so again, command and or control forward slash, everything comes back. Okay, so this is one thing. Bit by bit we're gonna learn a lot of good things. Okay, so for now one more example I want to show you, and then the rest we are going to learn step by step. Okay, so let's say I just want to combine text and a variable. We are going to learn a lot of things about variables, but now I just very simple example. Let's try. Let's save data, and I just want to focus on a name. So I can say the name is cat. But can I save data? Is this the correct way like this? No, I should be using double quotes. So this is string and that's a word. So that's how I save this information data. Okay, that's called. We are gonna learn soon variables, but you will see. Okay, so now what I want to do, I just want to print. Okay, hello. I just want to say hello, and then plus name. Okay, so name here, and then okay. Now what I want to do here, you can use the plus operator to combine strings and variables. We're going to learn a lot of about variables, but I just want you to see it as an example. So in this example, hello and the value of the name variable cat are combined to form the output. Okay, let's run our code and see what will happen. So hello cat. Okay, so but there are lots of other things here that I really don't want to see. So all I have to do, okay, convert them into, I call it like kill the code by making them comment. Okay, so boom, they all gone. So this is one way of doing it. So now hello cat, that's all beautiful. So in this situation, what I do again, you can use the plus operator to combine strings and variables. In this example, hello and the variable of the name variable cat are combined to form the output. I hope so far everything is good. You can try things by yourself. Again, you might want to check the lesson notes in the description, and I might suggest you to do some also practices. Okay, see you in lesson 3. Thank you.